Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Are you, your family member, or your employee waiting for a Nulla Osta from Italy? If you are, you know the waiting period is the most stressful part. You're constantly wondering, what is my status? Has it been approved? Has it even been seen? It's a very anxious time, and the lack of clear information makes it worse. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly where to go online to check the official status of your Nulla Osta application for work or family reunification. I'll also explain what those confusing Italian status terms actually mean, so you can finally get some clarity. First, we need to be very clear about one crucial point. In most cases, the only person who can check the status online is the person who submitted the application. This is usually your employer, datore di lavoro, for a work visa, or the family member in Italy who applied for your family reunification, Ricongiungimento Familiare. They are the ones who have the SPID or CIE digital identity credentials that are required to log into the official government portal. If you are the applicant waiting outside of Italy, you will likely need to ask your sponsor or employer in Italy to follow these steps for you and send you a screenshot. This video is the perfect guide to send them. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. The one and only official website you need is the Ministry of the Interior's portal, called Portale Servizi ALI. You can find it by searching for Portale Servizi DLCI Interno, or by going directly to Portale Servizi. DLCI Interno. IT. Be careful of fake websites. It must be the official one that ends in IT. Once you are on the home page, you will see a login button. Your sponsor in Italy will click this and log in using their SPID or their CIE, Carta d'Identità Elettronica. This is the standard way to access all government services in Italy. After logging in, you will be taken to a dashboard. You need to look for the section related to immigration. This will be called Sportello Unico per l'Immigrazione, or SUI. Click on that. This is the office that handles all Nulla Osta applications. Inside this section, you will need to find the area for your applications. It might be called Le Mi Domande, Domande Inviati, or Ricerca Domanda, which all mean My Applications, or Search Application. When you find this list, you will see the application you submitted and, right next to it, a column named Stato, which means status. This is the information you have been looking for. Now, what does that status actually mean? Let's decode the most common terms you will see. If it says Inviato, that just means it has been successfully submitted, but an officer has not started working on it yet. The most common status is in istruttoria or in lavorazione, which both mean it is in process or under review. This is the normal waiting phase, where the prefettura and questura are doing their checks. This can take weeks or even months. If you see Preavviso di Rigetto, this is a warning of rejection. It usually means a document is missing or there is a problem and they are giving you a chance to fix it. And finally, the news you are waiting for, Accolto, or Nulla Osta rilasciato. This means your application is approved. The Nulla Osta has been electronically sent to the Italian embassy in your home country so you can apply for your visa. So to recap, the status can only be checked on the Portale Servizi ALI by the person in Italy who applied for you using their SPID. Once you are in, you navigate to the Sportello Unico Immigrazione to find the Stato of your application. I hope this step-by-step guide helps reduce your anxiety and gives you a clear path to follow. The Italian system can be confusing, but knowing where to look is half the battle. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more guides on navigating life and bureaucracy in Italy. Please share your experience in the comments below. What status is your application currently on? Thank you for watching, and all the best with your application.